Viewers, welcome to Tech Traveler Hub. Today I am going to unbox HP 15FD 02890U Intel Core i5 laptop. This is a silver color laptop, processor type Core i5 generation 13th Intel, RAM 8GB, storage 512GB SSD, graphics memory shared, display size 15.6 inch. Laptop series 15 series HP laptop, processor brand Intel, CPU cache 12MB, display size 15.6 inch, FHD LED display, display resolution 920x1080, touchscreen no, RAM 8GB, DDR4 RAM, hard disk drive no, solid state drive SSD 512GB, optical drive no, graphics chipset Intel IRIS Xe graphics, Wi-Fi Realtek Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, keyboard backlight yes, fingerprint sensor no, optical system Windows 11 Home, color silver, warranty 2 years. This is the overall specification. So it's a really nice slim laptop. You can see the benefits and features are efficient processor, clear display, ample memory, 8GB of RAM, clocked at 3200 MHz, allows for smooth operation even with multiple applications open. Fast storage, the 512 PCI NVMe M2 SSD provides quick boot times and fast access to your files. Dual speakers enjoy clear audio quality with dual speaker, enhancing your multimedia experience. Long battery life, the 41 Wh Li polymer battery ensures you stay powered throughout the day. Modern connectivity features include a backlit keyboard, privacy shutter, Type-C port, and Wi-Fi 6 senseless connectivity, seamless connectivity. The weight is 1.69 kg, making it portable yet sturdy for your daily life use. Battery life, with a 41 Wh battery, expect moderate battery life depending on your uses. Connectivity, Type-C port and Wi-Fi 6 fit your connectivity needs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.